Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of nerve health. Nerves play a critical role in transmitting signals throughout your body, but they can be damaged or weakened due to various factors. In this video, we'll explore the top 6 vitamins that may aid in repairing and maintaining healthy nerves. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve health, as it helps maintain the myelin sheath, a protective covering around nerves. Deficiency in B12 can lead to nerve damage, causing symptoms like tingling, numbness, and weakness. Incorporating B12-rich foods like fish, meat, dairy, or taking supplements can help support nerve repair and function. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is essential for nerve health and the synthesis of neurotransmitters. It aids in the production of serotonin and dopamine, which are vital for mood regulation. Ensuring adequate B6 intake through foods like poultry, bananas, and whole grains can promote healthy nerves. Vitamin D. Vitamin D supports nerve repair by promoting calcium absorption and maintaining nerve cell health. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to nerve-related conditions like neuropathy. Spend time in the sun, consume vitamin D-rich foods, or consider supplements to maintain optimal levels. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that may protect nerves from oxidative damage. Some studies suggest that vitamin E supplementation can help alleviate symptoms of nerve disorders. Foods like nuts, seeds, and spinach are rich sources of vitamin E. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is known for its antioxidant properties and may help protect nerves from damage caused by oxidative stress. It also supports the production of collagen, essential for nerve structure. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent sources of vitamin C. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. While not a vitamin, ALA is a powerful antioxidant that may benefit nerve health. It has been studied for its potential to reduce symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. ALA can be obtained through dietary supplements or from small amounts in foods like spinach and broccoli. Maintaining healthy nerves is essential for overall well-being. While these vitamins and nutrients may play a role in supporting nerve repair and health, it's important to remember that a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle are key to optimal nerve function. If you experience persistent nerve-related symptoms or have concerns about nerve health, consult a healthcare professional for a proper evaluation and personalized advice.